This is why we support intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is just a natural way of eating. If you look at our ancestors, they did not always have access to food items anytime that they wanted. You had to really go outside, hunt, or do farming, and then you had access to food items, which were actually nutritious. Now you have access to food items all the time, and most of the food items are complete junk. So, what we are always suggesting to people is that eat according to your hunger level. If you don't get good natural food items available to you, it's okay to go hungry. Avoid all the packaged processed food items. So, if you go to a marriage or a hotel or restaurant, you know that it's absolutely junk food and it's really bad for you. So, apply the concept of intermittent fasting there. The second thing is eat your dinner by 7:30 p.m. Sleep by 10 o'clock or so, and then wake up naturally without an alarm. Do your exercise empty stomach, and then eat your breakfast at maybe 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, or directly eat lunch. This way you have given a huge gap between your meals, and then you have done exercise towards the end of your fasting period, which will use all the stored fat. It will put you in that fat burning mode, which is a very natural mode. When your body is hungry, that is when you would naturally go out and start hunting or farming or any of that stuff. So this is what you're trying to mimic first thing in the morning. Now you're empty stomach. So naturally your instinct is to go out and do hunting or to do farming or to do a physical activity. That is what you should do. Don't eat first and then work out. Work out on an empty stomach. Do your exercise and then go and eat. This will automatically take care of your fasting period. It will improve your insulin sensitivity. It has a huge number of benefits. If you have to lose weight, this is going to ensure that you're going to lose weight very fast, lose fat very fast. And your workout intensity, quality, everything will be much higher.